everyone, I'm April Beldad. I'll be the one to report about the Local Development Council. What is Local Development Council? Local Development Council, it is the planning body of the local government unit which is assist the Sanggunian in setting direction for economic and social development efforts within its territorial jurisdiction. How local development council are called? First, Barangay Development Council. Second is the Municipal or City Development Council. And third is the Provincial Development. In Section 107, the composition of the Local Development Council. First is the Barangay Development Council headed by the Punong Barangay and shall compose of the following members. First is the Barangay Kagawad or Sangguniang Barangay. Next is the representative of non-governmental organization operating within the barangay and the representative of congressman. Second is the Municipal or City Development Council shall be headed by the mayor and shall compose of the following members. First is the Sangguniang Barangay of the city or municipality. Then the representative of the chairman committee of Sangguniang Bayan or Panlalawigan concerned. Then the representative of congressman and representative of the non-governmental organization within the city or municipality. Third is the Provincial Development Council shall be headed by the governor and shall compose of the following members. Of course, all mayors and component of the cities and municipalities, the chairman committee of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, the congressman or his representative, and the representative of non-governmental organization operating within the province. In Section 108, the representation of the non-governmental organization. The non-governmental organization representative must have been accredited by the Sanggunian and elected in accordance with the procedures stipulated in the rules and regulations implementing the Local Code of 1991. In Section 109, functions of the Local Development Councils. Province, cities, or municipalities shall exercise the following functions. Review and prioritize the proposed development programs and projects that will form part of the Local Development Investment Program and Annual Investment Program. Integrates all plans of the sectoral or functional committees and those from immediate lower development council. Formulate medium-term and annual public investment programs. Formulate local investment incentives to promote inflow and direction of private investment capital. Monitor, evaluate, and coordinate the implementation of development programs and projects and perform such other functions as provided by law. The Barangay Development Council shall exercise the following functions. Mobilize people's participations in local development functions efforts. Prepare barangay development plans based on local requirements. Monitor and evaluate the implementation of national or local programs and projects and perform such other functions as provided by law. In Section 110, Meetings and Quorum. The Local Development Council shall meet at least every 6 months or as often as may be necessary. During such meeting, the following are some expected outputs. Formulate the local government unit's vision, mission, and development trust as an initial step in planning. Formulate goals, objectives, and set targets. Formulate policies on citizens' participation. Grant incentives to attract investors. And source funds for development activities. In Section 111, Executive Committee. The provincial, municipal, city, and the barangay, they create an executive committee to represent in every session or a meeting. The Executive Committee shall perform the following functions: ensure that the decisions of the Council are faithfully carried out and implemented, formulate the plans, programs, policies based on the general principles laid down by the Council, and perform such other functions. In Section 112, Sectoral or Functional Committee, the Local Development Council create a sectoral or functional committee to assist them in performance of their functions or duties and responsibilities. In Section 113, Secretariat, each local government council has a secretariat. The secretariat shall perform the following functions. They are responsible for technical supports, documentations, proceedings or during meetings, preparations of reports, and perform such other functions. Section 114, Relation of Local Development Council to the Sanggunian and Regional Development Council. Policies, programs, and proposed project by the Local Development Council shall be submitted to the Sanggunian for an appropriate action. Approved development plans of provinces, highly urbanized cities, and independent component cities shall be submitted to the Regional Development Council, which shall be integrated into the regional development plans for submission to the National Economic and Development Authority. Section 115, Budget Information. The Department of Budget and Management shall furnish various local development councils informations on financial resources and allocated budget to their respective jurisdiction to guide them in their planning. Next topic we will discuss is about the Local Peace and Order Council. In Section 116, Organization, there is hereby established in every city, province, or municipality a Local Peace and Order Council, pursuant to Executive Order Number 309 as amended, Series of 1988. The Local Peace and Order Council shall have the same composition and functions as those prescribed by said Executive Order. Section 1. Reorganization of Peace and Order Council. The Peace and Order Council is hereby reorganized on national, regional, provincial, city, and municipal level of government. Section 2. Responsibility of National Peace and Order Council. Peace and Order Council at national level shall responsible the following functions: to recommend and prepare for the approval of the President proposals, measures, trusts, and strategies that would effectively respond to peace and order problems, to coordinate and monitor peace and order plans, and perform such other duties and responsibilities as the President may direct.